All right, we're here, day 48, Casa de Malouff. Number 48, that's Moose Johnson, Daryl Moose Johnson, number 48. All right, we got ADT security system logging, coming in, setting shit up. We got the painter still painting, repainting over. We got my door guy, he's gonna set up all the trim around the doors. We got the tile guys in here fixing the tiles. That's it for right now. And so they're changing out the bad tiles and fixing those up. And he's going to fix up the trim on the doors. We're going to put the alarm system in. Nothing's going on in the back. This is all the trim. Same shit from yesterday. Nothing changed. So let's go around this side over here. Yeah, so they'll finish the door trims here. Finish the door trim, finish the door trim, put in the locks, put in all the locks, and then the young guy is going to be doing all the painting, finishing up the painting, and we'll go from there, one step closer. So, all right, this is video number 1, and I'll be back later this afternoon for video number 2. So, okay, enjoy your morning. Thanks for watching. All right, video number 2. We got the tile guys working on the tiles. We got the painter finishing up painting the baseboards. Got the alarm system put in. We're tearing up the tiles here, fixing, replacing the problems there. We're gonna fix the lock on the back patio. We got lights everywhere, cameras. You name it. All right, so we're working on putting the trim around the doors here and around there, and then setting up this closet for my coats. This is gonna be my coat closet. This is gonna be my clothes closet. This is gonna be later, so much later. We're talking November, December, January before I even get into making this closet. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, so it's gonna be a while. And we're going to put some shelves here for the pantry. So I have to go back to the other house and tear apart the shelves, as you see right here, so we can start reusing these for the shelves, the trim, everything around. So we're going to reuse things. Anyways, all right, that's where we are for right now. And this counts for day 2 video. And we will move forward. Oh, and they're doing the trim, the siding up above the roof, or up above the car house. Let's see what we got here. So they're redoing the siding, or putting in the siding above the car house. So, I gotta redo that. Look at that. That looks like shit. You got the gloss on here and a flat right there. Huh? I gotta redo that. All right, I'll do it later. Not a big deal. Okay. That's it for this portion of the video, and I'll come back later today and do a final video. All right, we're out. Thanks for watching. All right, video number 3 for day 48. Looks like they started to tear up some of the cabinets, put them together. I think the tile guys are done for now. The painter guy is still working. Yeah, they put the grout in, but we've got to wait for the grout to dry, so no touching that. Where the hell did they put the cabinet? Oh, there it is. Don't step on any tile. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways. Yep, day 48. They're still working on a lot of things. So they redid the tile there. Still got to put the toilet in. All right, it is what it is. As soon as this clears up and dries, and we'll see what happens with that. Make sure everything's level. Make sure everything's level. Okay, and then let's go out back, see what we have out back. I don't know what they're doing with those boards. I don't know. All right, well, it is what it is. We are where we are. So, like I told you before, you know, things are slowing down, things are doing differently. So, I'm going to be, tomorrow is going to be my short video, as I'll be out of town after that. So you'll have a couple of days to relax, but keep it on the, what do you call it, the subscribe thing, so you notification, the bell, so you see what what's coming up in the future. Because anybody who knows this YouTube profile, Facebook, whatever it is, hi y'all, is about travel, not about remodeling a house. It's about travel. So you want to see my upcoming travels, do that, like, subscribe, stuff that they ask you to do. So follow me out, you'll see all my travels coming up. So I do have some travels coming up. Anyways, all right, well, we'll call it this shop for today. We'll call it done for today. And because obviously nothing else is going to change now versus what you've already seen. So we'll see it later. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, watching, sharing, liking, commenting, all the good stuff. Okay, bye for now.